Hi, my name is Gary Peterson. I'm with A Wine to Die For, Travels of the White Tablecloth. Today I'm doing a video tasting on my quarter horse ranch here in Southern Oregon. I'm honored to be invited to participate in this first for Desert Wind Winery from Prosser, Washington. A Twitter release with a group of us wine bloggers who will be doing a taste and tweet. So today we are introducing Aura. This is a white blend, 60% Chardonnay, 20% Riesling, 15% Semillon, 5% Gewurz. It's fermented, 92% in stainless steel, and another 8% in oak. They say it pairs very well with tapas, sushi, seafood, and poultry. Today, as you can see, we'll be tasting it with spicy tuna. Hi! So, let's open her up, see what the nose says to us. I expect it's going to say something yummy. Ooh, it already is saying something yummy. Ooh. I'm smelling peaches, honeysuckle. If you can hear that, that would be the wife calling, but I'm not going to answer because this is more important. There's always voicemail. Maybe some lychee. Ooh, very pleasant, very fruity, mildly fruity. Tasting vanilla. Vanilla and pears. It does have a floral fruitiness to it, but when you read the label or read the cards on it, it's a very low sugar content, like 0.36 sugar, which makes it very excellent with sushi. So, let's take a look at that. This is pretty good, spicy tuna. Oh, that's heavenly with that. That low sugar and that nice, light, almost fruity taste. The pears, the vanilla. Definitely goes with some pretty good Thai food, which is one of my all-time favorites. And always sushi, anywhere I can get it. So, I think I'll be bringing some of this with me. I'm leaving tomorrow for Alaska for 2 weeks. Silver salmon fishing and halibut fishing, and I'm sure this is going to go just fine with the fish and the sushi. So, thank you very much. Hope you appreciated the tasting, hope you appreciate the wine, and I hope you're paying attention and on Twitter with us all talking about this great wine. It is excellent and yummy. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.